What is going on, guys? Luke here today, and it's time to talk about Tesla's earnings call. It was another record quarter of delivery numbers despite the fact that all the other automakers just can't seem to get off the starting block. But the market is in complete free fall at this point, and Tesla stock is back under $1,000 again and trending down. So I will address that and how I think Tesla's earnings will play out and tell you what I'm doing personally. I just ask in exchange for you to gently tap that like button and consider subscribing too. It's super easy to do if you like the truth without the hype. And are you against having a team of investors, including me, working directly with you as we navigate these extraordinary times? If not, then you need to know the sale ends today to join the Market Insiders private group, and the prices will never be lower than this again. You get full and direct access to me and a group of 6- and 7-figure investors, and you get access to 4 courses for free that teach you how to plan, do evaluation, build up your cash, and you get to see my watch list with price targets, my buy and sell alerts, live weekly Q&As, exclusive videos, and a ton more, so check out the pinned comment. And before blasting me for promoting it, I have no ads, no sponsors. This is what YouTube pays me in a month, and I give half of that and half the group's proceeds to charity. So Tesla once again just crushed their delivery numbers, so this should be another stellar earnings call. They managed to have record deliveries despite the ongoing supply chain shortages and multiple other challenges that are affecting the entire auto industry. There is a reason why every other automaker's deliveries are way off the mark and Tesla just continues to beat expectations. So in terms of numbers, I think they easily beat on every number. I expect revenue to increase to record levels again and every other number to be strong as well, potentially records across the board. We do still have 2 factories being built that put a drain on capital still without contributing anything to the bottom line, but that should not hurt too much since they are moving right along and basically almost finished. So I think they turn a profit easily, and Tesla is doing incredible, undeniable things that is just leaving everyone else in the dust, despite the fact that the government is trying to do everything else to help those guys out. And they clearly need the help, that's obvious. But there is one concern I have coming into this earnings call. And that basically is the market is in free fall right now. If you're a growth company, you get hammered. If you're a large cap beast and overvalued, you are finally getting put back down to earth. And actually see my video right up here if you want my latest thoughts on what is going on right now with the stock market overall and what I'm doing personally. So because of all that mess, Tesla has been giving ground the past week just like everyone else has. And when it comes to earnings, let's look at Netflix. An earnings miss plus lowered guidance equals devastation at levels that we have not seen in a long time for such a large stock. But the key there was the guidance. Wall Street is keen on seeing what companies see coming in the next year and are especially sensitive during these uncertain times. So for us as Tesla investors, if guidance is lowered, or the wild card that we always have, if Elon says something that can be viewed as negative, the stock is probably going to get pounded. It's not fair, I don't like it, but that is just the reality of the market we are in right now. So what am I doing personally? Well, honestly, I am simply sitting back and watching the numbers and then watching what Wall Street does to see if they give me some juicy discounts. If so, I absolutely will be a buyer as I have my cash ready to deploy. I don't care about the price action nearly as much as I care about how the business is performing. What, suddenly the price goes down and Tesla isn't performing as a business or a company? This is where having your plan set before the earnings call is actually key to having that mindset. I know many of you hate that I say it, but planning and having price targets is key to investing, especially with Tesla because it's such a unique stock. But the good news is you can absolutely take advantage of this uncertainty if you play the long game and stay away from all the short-term speculation that's going on. If you are worried about what Tesla will do tomorrow or finding the bottom or, anything else like that, then you are short-term speculating, if I could speak, wow, that was bad. Then you are simply short-term speculating or trying to time the market, which nobody can do. No other stock moves like Tesla, so you need to be prepared and have your price targets ready, which I agree is hard to come up with for a stock like Tesla compared to almost any other stock, but you gotta do it. So to me, you just hold and look to add at your price target when short-term issues arise, like an earnings call that is great, but the stock sells off anyways. That to me is actually the perfect time that I like to add. Tesla is a different kind of roller coaster, so don't panic sell and treat any dip as an opportunity to add at your price target and enjoy Tesla stock. But I want to hear from you guys. Where do you think Tesla stock is going after its earnings call? I think we all agree it's going to be a great earnings call. Is it going to go up? Is it going to kind of trade sideways? Or is it going to tank? I'd love to hear what you guys think. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.